sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Ford F-150. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.